In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Udemy account. If you cannot access your Udemy account, it may be because you forgot your password, used a different email address, signed up with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or your account was temporarily locked for security reasons. First, open Udemy in your browser or mobile app. On the login page, click Login, then select Forgot Password or Forgot Your Password. Next, enter the email address connected to your Udemy account. Make sure you type it correctly, then submit the request. Udemy should send a password reset email to that address. Now open your email inbox and look for the message from Udemy. If you do not see it, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folder. When you find the email, click the password reset link and create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before. After saving it, return to Udemy and try logging in again with your email and new password. If you originally signed up using Google, Apple, or Facebook, use the same login method instead of typing a password manually. For example, click Continue with Google if your Udemy account was created with Google. If you still cannot log in, try searching your email inbox for old Udemy receipts, course confirmations, or welcome emails. This can help you find which email address is connected to your account. If you no longer have access to that email address, or if your account seems missing, contact Udemy Support. Give them helpful details such as your full name, possible email addresses, course names, purchase receipts, and the last time you accessed the account. Once you recover your account, update your password, check your email address, and make sure your account information is correct. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.